I'm going to be cooking breakfast for the first time on my homemade Discada. For the breakfast, I have bacon, hash brown, vegetables, eggs, cheese, and homemade tortillas. First step is to cook the bacon. Once it's fully cooked, I move it to the side of the Discada to keep it warm. For the vegetables, I have jalapenos, onions, and garlic. I cook them the same way as the bacon. I also moved them to the edge once they were done cooking. Next, I added the hash browns, salt and pepper, and a little bit of extra oil. The hash browns took longer than I thought, so I removed the other items to keep them from overcooking. I had to remove the extra oil with a spatula before adding the eggs. Once the eggs were finished, I moved them to the side to make room for warming up some tortillas. Then we enjoyed our first meal on the Discada.
You want this big one, Johnny?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.